My growth ray can be used to turn these small plants into big trees.
That's so cool!
Tumbling test tubes. The battery is running out. Oh, that's what I get for buying those cheap knockoffs. Ah, here we go.
Look! It's a giant bird!
Don't worry, I'll shrink it back. Uh-oh, it stopped working again.
Morphle! Morph into a pterodactyl!
A giant bird? Not in my... Hey, give me back my sandwich! I hope you get indigestion.
He keeps looking for new food. Let's lead him out of the city. Hey, birdie, look! Quickly, Morphle! Look, Morphle, it's Farmer Bob's farm. Here, the bird has enough food to eat until Professor Rashid arrives. Yay!
What happened to all my corn? There's only one cob left.
We can take care of that.
Amazing. That's prize-winning corn right there.
Ooh, it's such a hot day, Morphle. We should have an ice cream. Ooh, ice cream. Huh? What's that?
That's my new magic pet. He loves the cold.
That's not a magic pet, Daddy. It's a penguin.
What? Ah, so that's why it didn't seem to have any magic powers.
We should bring it back to the South Pole. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon.
I can't believe I thought that poor penguin was a magic pet. Thank you for helping, Mila and Morphle. I already found a new magic pet for the Magic Pet Store. This time, I'm sure I got it right. is the giant Ophilis. It's the biggest magic pet we have. I don't have time to take it for a walk. Could the two of you help me, Mila and Morphle?
Of course, Daddy. It's so strong. Morphle, morph into a robot. Now, let's go to the park. Morphle, morph into a giant robot so you can play tag with the giant Ophilis. Okay, we're it. We're coming to get you, giant Ophilis.
Ah, there you are. Did it go well?
Yeah, Daddy, it went great. Oh no! Look, Morphle! A dragon is eating from our barbecue! Morphle, morph into a dragon too! Now, try to chase it away! I have an idea. He took the bait. Let's go, Morphle! Hi! I have an idea!
Whoa!
the best pet ever.
Well, I have a magic pet too now.
Aw, that's such a cute bunny. Are you sure it's a magic pet?
Yeah, of course. Its magic power is that it...
Look, over there. It's the bandits. Now, we are the bunny bandits.
With this special magic pet, we will be unstoppable.
Morphle, morph into a police car. After them, Morphle.
It's so cute. But what does it do? Wow!
Oh no!
The bandits are gone. Where did they go?
My magic pet's superpower is that it...
If the bunny is scared, it grows like a balloon.
I think it's starting to like me.
Oh no! If the bunny is not scared, we will fall. Scare the bunny, Yorn.
I'm not going to scare the bunny, Stein. It's my friend. You are a sweetheart, honey bunny, aren't you?
Look up there in the sky.
Whoa!
We need to save them, Morphle.
Whoa!
There you are.
I'll take care of you two.
Bye-bye, bunny! I'm training for the bull riding competition, but I only have this cow.
Morphle, morph into a big bull. Okay, Morphle, this is the game. Farmer Bob is going to hold on as tightly as possible. And you try to do whatever you can to throw him off.
Whoa, whoa! Oh, yeah!
Woo! Yippee!
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh!
Whoa!
Morphle, no! Oh no! Are you okay, Farmer Bob?
I'm great! What a rush! This was the best rodeo training I could ever imagine. Thanks a lot, Morphle. Something strange is happening. For the last few days, My chickens have been disappearing one by one every night.
That's strange. Morphle, that must be the chicken thief. Let's go get him.
It's a UFO. It wasn't the fox, but aliens.
Quick! Morphle, morph into a rocket!
Greetings, Earthlings. Can I offer you some freshly baked pancakes? They are quite tasty.
No. Give back those chickens.
But you can't make pancakes without eggs. There are no egg beasts in space. I am so sorry, Earthling Bob. It wasn't my intention to steal your egg beasts. I mean chickens.
All is good. If you promise you won't take my chickens anymore, you can come once a week and I will give you eggs.
I promise, Earthling Bob, and in return I will give you some space pancakes.
Look, Morphle, that elephant is stuck between two trees. Morphle, morph into a robot. The camel doesn't have any more water to drink. Morphle, morph into an elephant. Now you can take some water from over there and use it to fill the camel's trough. Look, Morphle! What's wrong, monkeys? Morphle, morph into a camel. into a giant dump truck.
Great. This giant Ophilis is way too big to fit in my Magic Pet delivery van, but this giant dump truck is perfect. Okay, bring the giant Ophilis to the junkyard. That's where his new companion lives. But be careful, because the giant Ophilis can be very playful.
Okay, Daddy. The giant Ophilis is so big. Morphle, look! Great, Morphle!
Hey! Not in my city!
Okay, now go say hi to your new human companion.
Hi, giant Ophilis. Hey, what do you have there? Ah, great. You already found your first old car to wreck. Okay, giant Ophilis. Smash it. No! That's my car! You are under arrest.
Please don't arrest him, Police Officer Freeze. He didn't mean to steal your car. He just really likes playing with cars.
Yes, that's why I can use him here on the junkyard. Well, I guess that's a fine place for him then. As long as he doesn't cause more trouble in my city. Can you believe this? No. What a day. Oh, what a day. Besides, I don't think I even have a jail cell big enough for him.
Okay, Morphle, it's story time. Once upon a time, there was a mama duck whose eggs were about to hatch. When they did, little baby ducks came out. All of them were super cute and fluffy, except for one of the ducklings. It was different because it was big and red, and it didn't have any feathers. And instead of quacking, it sounded like this. Is a duckling! It wanted to play with its brothers and sisters, but they said it was ugly, and they made fun of it. Yes, the brothers and sisters of the duckling were really mean. It made the duckling very sad. So sad that it flew off to play by itself. And when it was there by itself, all sad, all of a sudden, a giant dinosaur appeared. It chased the little duckling around. The little duckling flew for its life. There were big dinosaurs everywhere. Then it flew into the claws of a giant flying dinosaur called the pterodactyl. The little duckling was sure that the pterodactyl was about to eat it. But it didn't. Do you know why?
No, Morphle, no.
Because it was the duckling's real mother. You see, the duckling wasn't really a duckling. When it was just an egg, it accidentally rolled into the duckling's nest. The duckling grew larger and larger until it was just as big as its mommy. The end.
Dino Duckling, go see a brothers and sisters.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. So, the Dino Duckling went back to visit its mean brothers and sisters. And they were bullying a new duckling because it had big feet. Yeah, and the Dino Duckling roared really loudly, and it chased away its mean brothers and sisters. And they lived happily ever after. The end. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon. Let's go, Morphle.
Wow, this is the most extraordinary school presentation I've ever seen. But you still haven't told us what it's about.
It's about the animals of the jungle.
Wow.
Look, what animal do you guys think this is?
Oh no, is that a snake?
It's a cute monkey. Monkey.
Hey, another monkey. Hello there. Do you want to come out and play too?
Oh no! Morphle, morph into a tiger too.
Wow. Phew. Thank you, Morphle. That was close.
This is the end of my presentation. We've learned that the animals of the jungle are fun, but sometimes they can also be a little bit scary.
Mila, this was the most interesting school presentation I have ever seen. An A+. Thank you, Morphle. It's finished. With my latest invention, you will be able to morph just like Morphle.
Cool! I'm the cat! Now you can't catch me! Try and catch me now! great idea, Morphle. Let's play dinosaur. I know which dinosaur I want to be. The biggest of them all. Wow! The Argentinosaurus! Slide! Look at my giant tail! Oh no! The invention broke! Now I can't morph back into myself! Professor Rashid! Yes, you're right. I have to go back to Professor Rashid. But I'm so big! I can't get past those trees. Morphle, morph into a crane. Oh no! Morphle, I'm stuck! Morphle, morph into a giant robot.
Wow!
I'm so sorry, Professor Rashid. I broke your invention, and now I can't morph anymore.
That's all right. I'll have it fixed in no time.
Mila, morph into Mila. You can have this back, Professor Rashid. From now on, I'll leave the morphing up to Morphle.
Look, kids, a dolphin. How could a field trip to the ocean get any better than this?
Morphle, morph into a bus that can dive underwater.
Look over there. It's a school of fish. Oh, and over there, jellyfish. And a whale. And, well, hello, miss. No, wait, miss. Ah, a shark. We need to get out of here.
Move around it, Morphle.
Oh my! This place is dangerous. We should go back. Oh no! It's the sea giant.
Who are you calling a sea giant, you tiny little man? I am Neptune, king of the sea.
Hi, Neptune. We're on an underwater school trip. We were having a lot of fun until a shark showed up.
Oh, that guy? He's not so scary. But he's gone now. So let me help you by making this the best school trip ever.
Is that safe?
Safe as can be. Go ahead.
Okay, here I come.
Oh, thank you, Neptune. cartoon for making this trip the best.
Yes, unforgettable.
My pleasure. Come visit me anytime.
Bye now. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Whoa!
Oh no! Morph into a crane, Morphle.
Whoa! Thank you, Mila and Morphle.
Now morph into a bridge so those cars can get to the other side. Wow! Where did this hole come from?
Look!
A giant shark fin! Morphle, morph into a giant slide!
Whee! Phew. Thank you, Mila and Morphle. Look at those buildings.
Morphle, morph into a crane again!
Phew. I'm glad you lifted those buildings up, Morphle. It was so dark underground. Whew.
Do you know what is making all these holes, Daddy?
I think I do. Look! It's an earth shark.
Wow! Hi, Earth Shark.
I don't think the earth shark is in the city to cause damage. It's just looking for a human companion. Is that right, Earth Shark? I think I know just the right companion for you.
Good morning, Morphle. A crocodile! Morphle, help! Morph into an elephant! Ow, 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 ow! Yes! Ooh, nice one, Morphle! But how did my room turn into a jungle all of a sudden? Let's check on Daddy downstairs.
Steady. Thank you for the nice pictures. You can move along now.
Morphle, morph into a lion and chase the tiger out of here. Bigger, Morphle.
Well, that was something special. Ooh, thank you for saving me. I can't wait to develop all these amazing pictures. Hey, give that back.
everyone. What do you think of the new garden I've created with Papa Jungle?
Marvelous.
It looks beautiful, Daddy. But Papa Jungle's magic has turned the whole house into a jungle.
Huh? Monkeys?
Maybe he went a bit too far.
He's on the roof! Morphle, morph into a big monkey. Papa Jungle, you need to stop. This jungle is getting way too dangerous.
Larky, save me!
Aww.
Let's keep it small this time.
Papa Jungle?
Lovely!
Ooh, a butterfly!
Look, Morphle!
Tumbling test tubes, help! The Christmas present bandits used my time machine to steal a T-Rex from the past! We are no longer the Christmas present bandits. Now, we are the Dino Bandits!
Morphle, morph into a police car!
Not so tough now, eh?
Now, this is our city.
Well, boys, welcome back to my city.
Look, Morphle! The T-Rex hurt his knee. Morphle, morph into an ambulance! A big dinosaur ambulance!
I don't think this is quite big enough.
Morphle, morph into a crane!